This was the sound of a bird chirping. In future, when there won't be any birds around, you can come back to this video, listen to the sound and realize what we have lost. The day is not too far. Because a natural habitat that houses at least 85 different species of birds is being cut down to build a mall in the name of tribal welfare. Dholka in Rajasthan's Jaipur is what we are speaking about. The place does not only cater to the birds, but is also house to approximately 2,500 trees. This also includes khejri trees which according to law are illegal to be cut down. Rajasthan is a desert state. It ends up in chronic water crisis almost every year. It needs to intensify its green cover, however it is losing. What has happened? According to the people, the machineries are being sent at the site every day. However, there is a standoff between the police and the protesters. When the number of protesters is high, the machines have to back out. However, if the police security is intensified, the machines do their work. Why is it? The Rajasthan government wants to build a PM utility mall, a fintech park, Rajasthan Mandapam, and a few hotels, for which they have chosen the 100-acre land in Jaipur's green space, which is also known as the rare forest within the city's limit. The place is currently owned by the Rajasthan Industrial Development and Investment Corporation. In a bid to save the Dholka area, protesters are holding cycle marches, candle marches, and human chain-like events. Environmental activists are saying that they won't be afraid to start Chipko movement in 2025 in Jaipur. Social worker and an activist, Ashutosh Ranka, has said that the government has claimed that there were only 60 trees in the Kunj area, the area which will be used to build the PM utility mall. However, he claimed that when they geotagged all the trees inside the premises, they found that they were over 200 in number. Ashutosh also pointed at the tin shed installed as a border in the area.